Hi everyone, we are back. We're doing a review back-to-back, guys, because you guys really loved our Kylie skin video. So we are here to do another honest review, and this was highly requested. So Michelle, what are we reviewing and testing out today?
Ready?
JACLYN Hill's Lipsticks, guys. So she recently just launched it, and people have been waiting for her to launch her own cosmetics for so long. So it is finally here. I think I don't know how many lipsticks she launched, but I have 6 of them, 2 trios. Which one's that one?
This is the Nude Moment.
Nude Moment, and this one is the Nude Tease. I'm sure you guys know there is a lot of drama, things going around regarding this lipsticks. I'm not even sure if I want to put it on my lips, just because there's like so many people saying it could be mold. Like there's just so much speculations going on right now. So we should probably talk about that a little bit, and then we'll kind of go into unboxing and doing the stuff. So what have you heard, Michelle, about these whole lipsticks? Like, I've heard so much.
One more sip. God bless JACLYN's soul.
Yeah.
That's all I gotta say. This girl must be going through some crazy anxiety right now because...
Yeah, this is a nightmare.
Yeah, I wouldn't wish this on anyone. I also do feel bad for a lot of the customers because when I saw photos of the bubbliness, the texture,
fibers, beads.
Yeah, there are hairs and fibers in it, and it's pretty expensive too. The lipstick, how much was this?
$18 each.
Even dollar store lipstick, you wouldn't see something like that. And so I can understand why people were very, very upset. At first, it almost seemed like maybe people are just being dramatic. Maybe they're just coming after her.
First time I saw like a tweet about it, I was like, people are being really dramatic because they want to find fault. Yeah. Because, you know, they've been waiting for this.
And she's famous.
Yeah, she's a really great, I admire JACLYN Hill. Like, I feel like her videos are so in-depth. Like, she really knows her makeup. That's what I thought in the beginning, honestly.
Same. But then, you know, each next day, like, there was more and more pictures, and everything was pretty consistent with the people who were having a bad experience. I don't know how the products look. We'd have to open it up and see it for ourselves.
I haven't looked into it yet, but almost every review that I've seen on YouTube, they have the grittiness.
Oh,
they do have the fiber. They do have the beads. So I won't be surprised if, because I think this is the same batch.
You think so?
Code that they have. I was looking at it when I purchased it. I actually got it from eBay. I got it from somebody that bought it in the launch and then resold it to me.
She's just giving you the PC version. She actually went down a shady alley in Skid Row, Los Angeles, and there was a guy with a trench coat saying, hey, you want the JACLYN cosmetics?
You have experience developing makeup products.
Right.
What can you say, like, with your experience? Like, what do you think went wrong? Like,
I mean, so many factors that can go into this. It could have been something that went wrong in the production line. It could have been something that went wrong in the logistics, where perhaps her makeup wasn't stored in a temperature controlled 3PL, and maybe it just melted during the transportation. There's so many, and this is why it's so important to do your due diligence when you're creating products. You have to do stability tests. You just have to do so many test after test after test after test to make sure the product is good, no matter if there's a hurricane or a flood or like the whole world's on fire, your makeup will still be good when it arrives. I know I'm being dramatic, but this is why you have these tests, and you have protocols that you follow when you're developing products.
Yeah, and I feel like JACLYN Hill, like, she says it numerous times that she's a perfectionist, and I think everybody expected perfection from her. Right. So this was very, like, disappointing for a lot of her, you know, loyal viewers and customers. But honestly, like, nobody wants to put out a bad product.
No, I don't think that's her intention. I don't think it's anyone's intention to put out a bad product.
All right, so now it is time for us to unbox these lipsticks. These are like darker nudes, the ones that I have right here. As soon as she posted a video of her launch, I watched it, and this one, I was like, I want that one, hot toddy. So I have that one, Control Freak and Fussy.
Here, Perfectionist. We were just talking about JACLYN being perfectionist. Sophia means wisdom in Latin. That girl.
Question is, do we want to put this on our lips, Michelle? Because I was thinking about this. I did see some girls that had a cut, like a bump, some allergy.
We must test all of them. We must do this. We've committed ourselves, promise. Must be brave.
We're like sacrificing our skin,
our
our lips for you guys. So make sure you guys give us a thumbs up.
Yes.
Okay?
Make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment.
I also brought my microscope from my microscope video because I did see Raw Christy Beauty do a microscope like close up to see everything. So just in case, if you wanna, I don't know, have you ever used a microscope before?
I've used, well, not in cosmetics, but it would be very interesting. Maybe if we see one that looks sketchy.
Okay,
Yeah. Use a microscope.
I feel like this packaging is so me as well, right? It's so JACLYN Hill, and it's kind of me because I do love like the shimmery, the diamond,
the gems.
I do love this. Definitely, I know you don't like it.
No, it's not I don't like it. It's just not me. I'm very minimalistic. But I like the hexagonal shape.
Yeah. Stick up. Okay, I already see a little fiber in mine, Michelle. It's just on the tip. It's like a tiny bit. Yeah.
Well, I don't have one on this one.
So guys, there is a fiber on that one. Ooh, I do like that shade though.
Yeah, this shade's pretty.
See, there's another fuzz right here. See,
it's so weird. I've never seen this before.
Mm-hmm.
And I've seen so much makeup, production lines and everything, lipstick.
They mentioned that it was a lint from like a gloves that they used.
But I understand that, but normally that happens when the person puts the top on it. That's when they use the gloves, so that way there's no fingerprint or anything. But they wouldn't do it with the bullet out. And some of them you see like on the bottom.
Guys, the hot toddy is broken. But I do want to apply this first because I was excited about this.
It smells kind of nice, but sometimes it smells like crayons, if that makes sense.
Okay, it feels really nice putting it on. Super creamy. This is hairier than my leg, guys. Look at this. Is it stuck?
Okay, I don't... Wait,
we need to do a close-up, guys.
All right, guys, we're going to do the microscope. It is time to pull out the microscope.
It's like embedded in there. One, and then if I move it higher, you can see like the fuzzier.
There's more hair.
This one has a lot of little black dots and specks.
Oh my gosh, what is that?
I didn't black hair. Michelle, do you have hairy lips?
No, I didn't.
Where did that come from?
I didn't even wear this one. This is brand new.
Yeah, see?
It looks
This
like
one has
pubic
black
hair.
fuzz as well.
That's so weird.
So should we go ahead and apply the rest of the shades?
Yeah, we can swatch the rest. Okay, what do you have?
Fussy. We're gonna do the fussy.
Not fuzzy.
It should have made
Just kidding. I'm sorry, I'm not trolling you, JACLYN. I love you. All love here. All love, all love.
So the first time that I met JACLYN was in Tampa, where we used to live. She was actually having like a meetup with Marlena from Makeup Geek.
Oh, okay.
Jen from Gerard Cosmetics.
Whoa.
And also from the owner of Morphe Cosmetics. So we were all there, we had a dinner together. And this was maybe like 5-6 years ago, and she was just talking about her cosmetic brand.
Wow.
Which was, it's a while back.
Wow.
So now we are here today. And
That's
we're
crazy.
Like, testing her products.
Well, I'm sure there was a lot that happened behind closed doors that we don't know when it comes to like business contracts and all that.
It's really close to my natural lip color.
I would say it's a medium coverage, right? And you can build it.
This one is medium, but the hot toddy was like super opaque. So I don't know, it's different.
I love this one. It's beautiful.
Well, one thing that I don't feel is the grittiness. Like a lot of people
it's still soft.
are saying it's very gritty, and it
It's
feels like they're
very
exfoliating
soft.
their lips. But I don't feel that.
No.
What did you like out of all the three? Because this one looks really great on you.
I honestly love Sophia. I knew I saved it for last for a reason.
Oh, nice. Yeah, I thought I was gonna like hot toddy, but I like fussy.
But overall, what do you think?
It just didn't feel like a really expensive lipstick to me.
Same.
But I do love the shades. I think
shades
the
are
formula
beautiful.
is really nice. Well, at least in some of them. So yeah, that's where I stand.
I think the formula is okay.
It's okay.
Yeah.
It's somewhere like super creamy, and then some you really.
It's not
gotta build
consistent.
on.
It's not consistent, and that's why I'm not giving it a 5 out of 5. If these were around $15, that's fair. That's fair, but 18. Because it's not weighted on the bottom, it doesn't feel substantial to me. It doesn't feel luxe. Even like the texture doesn't feel luxe. It's not gritty like everyone's saying. It's not waxy. By paying $18, you kind of expect for the product to feel smoother and buttery and rich. But I do feel more of a drag when I'm applying it. Like you feel that drag, right? And also the fact that JACLYN has been talking and hyping about how she's been developing this for 5 years. So that's the thing about hyping, and that's why I don't hype. Even with my own brand, ever since I bought M, I just don't hype the products because have such a high expectation. Because sometimes things go wrong, like things just go wrong and it's totally out of your hands sometimes. That being said, I'm not saying that everything was out of their control. I'm sure there was some, a few steps that were probably missed out on.
It just seems like there was like a super hairy Yeti or some kind of person that was mixing these lipsticks. That's what it seems to me. So I honestly wouldn't recommend people to buy it, or even if you have it, just be super careful with it because there has been like allergies and so that's what I have to say, guys. Just be careful with the lipstick unless we hear from like a really good source of, I don't know if anybody's even gonna tell us, or do you think?
All I know is that we survived.
We survived.
We survived.
Well, we can't say now. What if tomorrow our lips are all like swollen and
It should be fine. No, I think we're good.
I'm just like, me, like I get nervous with
I know.
everything. Like I'm just like, when I hear somebody say something bad, I'm just like, So, but you were like the risk taker.
Yeah, I'm like,
that's why you're so successful. But we'll keep you guys updated. This was really fun to try out and a little scary.
It was fun.
It was fun.
I enjoyed this. I enjoy our honest reviews.
That's where we're at. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let us know if you guys want to see more videos like this in the comments. That's all we gotta say. Until next time, guys. Bye.